This is a video tutorial for how to complete an assignment in Scratch and turn it in. First, you're going to go to the assignment. This one's Introduction to Scratch Programming. You're going to click on My Document and then give it a second to load. Once you've opened the document, you're going to go into the Nearpod. If you're in class joining live, you'll go to this Nearpod link. If you're remote, you're going to click on the hyperlink and then go to the live link. If you're doing this self-paced, there's a link down here for you. So you'll click on the hyperlink to go into whichever document you need to work from. And it's going to provide you instructions for the assignment. You're going to join the lesson. In this case, I'm using the self-paced one so I can control it to show you how it works. If you were live in class, I would control it from the podium and you would follow along, but if you're at home, you're going to do it self-paced. So you're going to click through the slides and there's videos on how to complete the lesson. And then what you'll do is go to Scratch. I'm in Scratch now. And I'm going to go to My Stuff because I'm going to pretend that I've completed the lesson already. I'm going to choose a project to share. And then I'm going to show you how to turn it in. Once you've completed your project, make sure that you've verified your email address so that you are able to share your projects. And once you've verified your email address, you'll be able to copy the link. Then you'll come over here and copy this link. And you're going to go back into the document that we were just in, the document that had the links to Nearpod in it and the link to Scratch. And you're going to paste that link here. So then once you've pasted your hyperlink in, all you have to do is come up to the top and submit your assignment. Yes, submit. The rocket ship will always go off if you have submitted an assignment correctly. Then click Done. And you can see the assignment has been submitted.